Hi, welcome to Wiggin with Christi. I'm Christi, and today I'm bringing you a review of a new piece from a new collection. This is called the Lucy Wig. It is from the Alexander Couture collection from Rene of Paris. This collection has just been released with lots of new styles. Let's dive into this review. This is a beautiful wig and it has some really great features to it. Like I said, this is part of the Alexander Couture collection and it is new for 2019, so brand new, just released. It is a long layered wavy style and it has a monofilament top with a polyurethane strip right here. Very nice monofilament top. It almost is like, to me, an in between a monofilament and a double monofilament. I think it makes it look really nice. It is very dense in the hair, so you could pluck it to make it a little bit more natural parting. Now, it could be the color that I have, but it looks really, really good. I really like it. I'm going to show it to you parted on the right side. This came on the left, and it didn't come crisscross. It just kind of came like that. On the left side, and I'll show it to you on the right side. This is synthetic fiber, so it is not heat friendly. However, you have this bang here, which I'll give you the measurements here in a little bit. And you can maybe do a hot airbrush or some steam and steam in some bangs if you are a bang lover. Okay, you're just gonna have to get a hot airbrush or some steam, directional it, and then trim it to the length that you want. This is an average size cap and the hair texture is wavy. Let's go ahead and do a spin. Let's go ahead and take a look at this color outside. Okay, let's go over measurements for this piece. So the bang fringe is a 5.5. The crown is 11 inches and the nape is 8.3 inches. This wig weighs 5.36 ounces. Let's go ahead and talk about this color because this is in the vibrant Plumberry jam color. And you know, sometimes this color has a really dark root, and then I've seen pieces where it's not. And to me, this is Plumberry jam color. This is amazing. I kind of like this styled up like that. That's how I kind of wear this piece. Super cute. Totally up, like halfway up. But okay, so this color. This is a medium plum ombre color. And it's rooted with the 50-50 blend of red fuchsia. So it's a dark root, and then it's a 50-50 red fuchsia blend. So sometimes you get like this vibrancy, like this purple, these fuchsia pinks, some reds. It's really pretty. It's this plum. I've been wanting this wig and Angelica for a long time in this color actually. So this style maybe looks like a shorter Angelica, but I haven't had an Angelica, so if you have, maybe I'm wrong. But because you know how Angelica has like those long luscious waves, where this has waves too, and they're really pretty, but it's like a shorter version. And then it has this short layer here. So I don't know, kind of like a medium length, shorter length Angelica with the kind of the waves. She's a really pretty wig. I really like her. Let's take a look inside her cap. This cap is pretty interesting, and I really, really, really like this cap. To me, it's advertised as a monofilament top, polyurethane strip. This mono top doesn't look like other mono tops that I have from other companies. It almost looks like other companies are a little bit more see-through, but this gives it a little bit more thickness where it looks more natural, a little bit better. To me, it's like an in-between a Jon Renau monotop and a double monofilament. This is how this looks to me. And so it actually looks more natural to me than other monofilament tops. Just to me, I think It's almost like a, is that double monofilament? Like type thing. You know, it's not double monofilament, it's a mono top, but it's just slightly tan, right? It has lace ear tabs with the bendable wire, no extended nape on this, and bra strap adjusters. And a good cap size. Fits smaller than Rene of Paris. I'd say it's about a Norweco or more fitting. Rene of Paris is really big, I think. Norweco is pretty tight. I would say this is more a more style, maybe. So just want to show you that color. See how you have the rooted, and then it goes into that plum. Dark root, dark root. And this root actually has the red wine, because another description I found for this is long dark wine roots on a vibrant brown with purple blended middle with hot pink tips. But it does. This is the first time I've actually had a Plumberry where I can see the burgundy, the wine color up in the roots. I've had a couple Plumberry jams where the root was just flat out, like it looked like a 2 or a 1. And then I had a Plumberry that looked like it was a 4 or a 6, maybe even lighter than that. And it was like faded. And then this one actually looks like, when I'm underneath my light, I can see some like red wine color in there. Actually like matches my shirt really well. And then it kind of blends and goes to this ombre. Now I wouldn't say pink tips. I would say this is all of a blended fuchsia plum color. You can see highlights of like these strong vibrant right there, like that strand right there. And so you see multiple dimensions of red and plum and fuchsia. It's really pretty, just a dynamic color. Okay, I'm gonna part this on this the right side and show it to you. Now remember, with this mono top, you can change the parting. Now, I'm gonna change this with a heat press. Okay, I actually like it better on the right side on this style. Really like it a lot better. Let's go ahead and heat press it, because as you can see, it was really hard on the left, and so that is a little sticking out. You can do this with heat press or a steamer, okay? With the steam, you just would want to be careful because it does have these waves on the bottom. So you wouldn't want to bring the steam down here. Just focus on reparting. Isn't she cute? I really like her on the right side. Now, like I said, with styling, you could kind of pull her out of the face. Honestly, if I was keeping this one, this is how I would wear this, is pretty much just like this. Maybe even to like a messy style like that. You could even take her in a ponytail. This is a really cute style, this Lucy style. All right, so you could pull her off the face and into a ponytail. She's really cute, even without that extended nape. You could even like leave some hairs down in here in the back. Really cute. This would look really cute with a headband. I don't have a headband. I need to get one of those like square bands, or is that what they're called? This would look really cute with a square band. I'd just like to thank Wig Studio One for sending me this wig to review for you today. Don't forget to check out Wig Studio One. They're an online retailer. They also have a Facebook group called Wig Studio One, Wig and Topper Support Group. The link to that group will be down below, so make sure you check it out. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Don't forget to press the subscribe and the like button. I hope you guys have a good day. Don't forget to shine bright, love others, and be kind. Bye.